for the last 10 years, I've been devoted to working with Native American communities, using soccer as a vehicle to talk holistic wellness. And when I coach, that's what I hope to cultivate, is not only that we're winning games and tournaments and those types of things, but we're developing healthy relationships, and the players that I coach feel like it's a positive experience.
Hi, Shannon Andrews and Gunnar Key. I'm a dietitian and the nutrition coordinator for the Otoe-Missouria Tribe Health Department. Through our continued collaboration with Oklahoma Tribal Engagement Partners, we'll be bringing you the Not Our Destiny recipe series. Follow along as we show you how to make easy and healthy recipes the whole family will enjoy. Remember to complete a survey to receive an incentive. Raisin.
Today we are making 2 pumpkin recipes, starting with pumpkin cornbread. For this recipe you will need 1 cup of cornmeal, 3/4 cup of bakery mix, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, 1 cup of pumpkin canned, 1 cup of 1% milk, 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter melted. Preheat oven to 425 degrees. In a large bowl, whisk together cornmeal, bakery mix, and pumpkin pie spice. Add pumpkin, milk, egg, and butter. Stir to combine. Pumpkins are rich in beta-carotene, an important antioxidant that is converted to vitamin A in the body. Eating foods with beta-carotene may reduce the risk of developing certain types of cancer and protect against heart disease and some degenerative aspects of aging. Pour batter into a 9 by 9 inch non-stick pan and bake for 15 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Cut into pieces and serve warm. For a sweeter cornbread, drizzle honey or maple syrup before serving. Add chopped walnuts, almonds, or pecans for some crunch. If you don't have a non-stick pan, use a non-stick cooking spray or line the pan with parchment paper. This recipe makes 20 servings. 1 piece is 1 serving. Now let's make pumpkin raisin bread. For this recipe you will need 1 cup of pumpkin, canned, half a cup of 1% milk, 2 large eggs, 2 cups of bakery mix, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 cup of raisins. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. In a large bowl, mix pumpkin, milk, and eggs together. The Otoe word for pumpkin is wadwan. Pumpkins were grown by Native Americans long before Europeans arrived. Native Americans dried strips of pumpkin and wove them into mats. They also ate long strips of pumpkin roasted on an open fire. Add bakery mix, cinnamon, and raisins. Stir to combine. For today's recipes, we are using canned pumpkin. Mashed sweet potatoes or fresh pumpkin puree can be used instead of canned. 1 medium 5-pound pumpkin yields about 4.5 cups of cooked pumpkin. Pour batter into a non-stick loaf pan and bake for 45 to 55 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. For a shorter cook time, bake in a muffin or mini muffin tin. Cool completely in loaf pan or on a cooling rack before slicing. This recipe makes 16 servings. 1 serving is 1 slice. Enjoy!